Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth gadget breakdowns. Today we're diving into the Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dash Cam, a sleek, powerful device that promises not just 4K clarity but a whole suite of smart features. So is this the ultimate dash cam upgrade for your vehicle? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the S12 Pro looks like a modern rearview mirror, but it's much more than that. It's large, slim, and mounts easily over your existing mirror using secure rubber straps. The front camera is adjustable, which is super helpful for getting the perfect viewing angle. The rear camera is compact and mounts at the back of your car, delivering a wide 160-degree field of view. The build quality feels premium, and the reflective touchscreen is responsive and bright, even under direct sunlight. Let's talk video quality. The front camera shoots in 4K at 25 frames per second using Sony's STARVIS S12 sensor. That's the same tech used in high-end surveillance cameras. The rear shoots in 1080p, and both feature HDR and WDR, respectively, to balance out bright lights and deep shadows. The clarity is stunning. You can clearly read license plates, road signs, and see faces, day or night. But what really blew me away is the full-color night vision. While most dash cams switch to black and white in the dark, this one keeps colors intact, thanks to AI-powered enhancement. That's a game-changer for nighttime recording. The S12 Pro features 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6, giving you up to 20 megabytes per second transfer speeds. That means no more waiting forever to download clips. Just open the Pelsee app on your phone. The Advanced Driver Assistance System, or ADAS, provides real-time voice alerts for lane departure, forward collision, front vehicle movement. And you can live view, download footage, and tweak your settings, all without even touching the dash cam. It's smooth, fast, and refreshingly intuitive. Now, let's get into the smart stuff. And even pedestrian detection. It's not quite Tesla level, but it definitely adds an extra layer of safety. You also get voice commands, so while driving, you can just say, "Take picture," or "Lock the video," and it'll respond. It even confirms your commands, so you know it actually did it. That's really helpful for hands-free control. Parking mode is where this cam turns into a surveillance tool. With a hardwire kit, it can monitor your car while parked, recording in time-lapse with color night vision. When reversing, it automatically switches to the rear camera with dynamic parking lines and gives audible proximity alerts. This isn't just a dash cam. It's a full-on smart rear-view mirror upgrade. You also get a 64 GB memory card included, so no extra purchase needed to get started. Cars, trucks, RVs, you name it. So is the Pelsee S12 Pro worth it? If you're looking for an all-in-one, high-resolution, smart dash cam system with voice control, ADAS, fast Wi-Fi, and excellent night vision, this is definitely one to consider. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what product you want us to review next. Catch you in the next one.